Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've got the essentials: charged earbuds and Bluetooth on your phone. First, open the Nothing case lid next to your device. Many units enter pairing automatically when opened. If nothing happens, press and hold the small button on the case for about 3-5 seconds until the LED blinks. Keep the phone screen visible and stay within a meter or two while the earbuds broadcast. Once the LED blinks, move to your phone's Bluetooth list to locate the Nothing model and tap to begin pairing. You'll now finish the connection on your phone. Open Bluetooth settings and tap the Nothing device name that appears. You should see a connecting status. Once connected, allow any permission prompts and, if offered, install the Nothing X Companion app. This streamlines firmware updates and pairing settings. If the earbuds fail to appear, go back and forget any older entries for Nothing on your phone, then rescan. Make sure other nearby Bluetooth devices are turned off to avoid interference while connecting. You're almost done. Test audio with music or a test call to confirm left/right balance and microphone operation. If anything feels off, open the Nothing app to check for a firmware update and install it. Updates often fix pairing quirks. If the earbuds still won't connect, place them in the case, hold the case button for 10 seconds to reset, then repeat the pairing steps. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable other Bluetooth devices and reboot your phone before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.